Good morning. Myself Dr. Mrunal Akre, Assistant Professor, Department of Dravyagun, Global Institute of Ayurveda. In our pharmacological series, our next drug topic is amoebicidal drug or anti-helminthic drugs. These are also known as anti-helminthic drugs. In amoebicidal drug, generally these drugs are used in killing the amoebias or the diseases causing by amoebias, that is amoebiasis. Anti-amoebic drugs, these are used mostly in Entamoeba histolytica or other Entamoeba species, generally non-pathogenic. These amoebicidal drugs are classified as tissue amoebicides. They are nitromidazole, means metronidazole, tinidazole, secnidazole, ornidazole and starnidazole. Alkaloids, that is amantine and dihydroamantine. Second classification is luminal amoebicides. These are amides, diloxanide, furet and nitoxanide and 8-hydroxyquinolone, that is quinidochlor, and antibiotics like tetracycline and paraminomycin. Generally nitroimidazoles like metronidazole, they have broad spectrum cidal activity against anaerobic protozoa including Gardenia limbia also. Many anaerobic and microaerophilic bacteria like Bacteria fragilis, Pseudobacterium, Clostridium, then Helicobacter, Streptococci, Peptococci, all are susceptible by metronidazole. Pharmacokinetics of metronidazole, it is well absorbed orally and it is given through IV also. Little unabsorbed drug reach to colon. Adverse effect of metronidazole are not so serious, but anorexia, nausea, dryness of mouth, metallic taste in mouth, abdominal cramps are seen, or looseness of stools are also seen. Contraindication of metronidazole are some neurological diseases, blood dyscrasia, first trimester of pregnancy. We can't give metronidazole in these conditions. Uses, generally metronidazole is used in amoebiasis, giardiasis, trichomonas vaginitis, anaerobic bacterial infections, pseudomembranous enterocolitis, acute necrotizing ulcerative gingivitis, Helicobacter pylori, gastritis and peptic ulcers also. Tinidazole, it is equally efficacious cogner of metronidazole. Its metabolism is slower and plasma half-life is at around 12 hours. It appears to be better tolerated and metallic taste, nausea and rashes are lessly seen. It is recommended in intestinal amoebiasis, amoebic liver abscess, trichomoniasis, giardiasis, anaerobic infections, biliary surgeries and H. pylori infection also. Secnidazole. It is a cogner of metronidazole and has same spectrum and potency. Its plasma half-life is 12 to 29 hours. It is given in 2 gram single dose in children, 30 mg per kg for mild intestinal amoebiasis, giardiasis, trichomonasis vaginitis and non-specific bacterial vaginicosis. Ornidazole. It has activity similar to metronidazole. So this was all about our anti-amoebic drugs or amoebicidal drugs. So we will meet with our next topic in next lecture. Thank you.